Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast sticks. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need some thick-cut bread, a couple of eggs, milk, and a touch of cinnamon. Make sure your bread is sturdy enough to hold up to dipping. Also, prepare a shallow dish or pie plate for mixing your egg batter. This makes the dipping process much easier and less messy. Now, let's create that perfect batter. In your shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs with 1/4 cup of milk until they are well combined. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a small pinch of nutmeg for extra flavor. Whisk everything thoroughly to ensure the mixture is smooth and ready for dipping your bread sticks. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Take each slice of bread, cut into sticks, and fully immerse it in the egg mixture, ensuring it's completely coated. Then, place the soaked sticks onto a preheated, buttered griddle or frying pan over medium heat. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown. Your delicious French toast sticks are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like rich maple syrup or a dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra treat, consider adding fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.